What's going on, everybody? Emmett Ferguson from Lexus of Glendale, just talking about one of my favorite features that make your car ride more exciting and more comfortable, and it helps protect you from the sun. So this feature comes on certain vehicles. It's called the passenger or the rear passenger sunshades, and this comes as an extra optional feature on some specific vehicles, and you can look for it or request it specifically. Now, this is a manual one, and I just want to demonstrate how easy it is to take it off and to put it up. So if it starts to get sunny, if it starts to get bright out, all you need to do is pop this up, push it in a little bit, and just pop it right on. So I just did that one-handed while I'm holding a camera with the other. It's super simple. Everybody can do it. But the secret is you have to pop it up a little bit, push it out, and then you let it down. So again, you pull it up, and it's not going to go unless you push it in a little bit, and then you pop it up, and it just goes right into these two hooks right here. There's a little grip right here, and it doesn't take up any space because it slides down right into your window or your door. So that's the rear passenger manual sunshades. On some vehicles, they might include the RX, or you can get it on some of the other Lexuses as well, including an ES and some of the other vehicles as well. So anyway, with that, if you're ready to experience amazing with Lexus, if you're in the Southern California area, or if you are in Glendale, be sure to stop by. My email is in the description below. And so if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave a message for me, or you can email me at emmett@lexusofglendale.com. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out this feature or ask about it if you can. It doesn't come in every vehicle, but it is absolutely fantastic. So have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.